Hey guys, I'm out here working on the bus again. I'm going to cut out another piece of metal on this corner that I'm going to weld back in. Just going to show you what I've got going on here. Hang on, let me turn this around. What I've done is in the place there where that it was blowing through all the time, I go in ahead and I've got my got a patch put in there. So I'm getting ready to get it welded in. And then I'm going to go down to here where this was blowing out and put another piece in right there. And then I think I'm going to be done with this area. I think at that point it's just going to be filler. But yeah, just trying to get a few things done today. All right, guys, I've got it welded up now, and I'm going to go ahead and hit it up with the grinder and see what we've got. We'll check it out. Man, I hope it's good. All right, that's where I've got it. I don't think I'm going to grind it a whole lot more because I'm learning my lesson that the more I grind it, the thinner the metal gets around it. So I can feather over that, but that's a whole lot better than all that blowout that I had there. So I think I'm going to try to, I may do a little bit right here again, but then it's going to be time to hit up this little spot down here. All right, guys, got the piece welded in there, got everything cleaned up. I'm going to do a little seam sealing and try a little finish work here. I've been just going at this forever without ever having any satisfaction of something being complete. So that's what I'm doing. All right, guys, I threw a little putty on there, and I'm gonna let it dry up, sand it out a little bit, throw some primer on it, and then hit everything else with seam sealer, and paint that little section there where it don't rust. I'm gonna move on to the next thing. It's taking forever. I know it's not perfect, but I'm telling you, I'm ready to get this bus on the road, and I need to get to the rest of this engine compartment and get it taken care of. All right, guys, I put a little filler on it, fixing to do seam sealer around all the other welds, and we're gonna button this up tonight as far as what I'm gonna do on it. The biggest thing with all of this is it's gonna be either underneath the carpet, the bed, or behind covering on the wall and stuff. So I just wanted to fill the pinholes where I didn't get a lot of exhaust or moisture that made it into the bus. So there it is. Let's finish this up. All right, guys, got the seam sealer on. Gonna let it sit up for a little while and then get some primer on it and figure out what my next thing I'm gonna attack is. But I feel pretty good that I got this done, so we'll just see how it all goes. All right, guys, she ain't pretty, but she's done. There's no more rusted out metal on this thing. All the seams are sealed on that side. And again, I know this stuff's all gonna be up in the behind the upholstery and stuff, so not too freaked out about it. But I mean, I didn't even have any of this at all that was gone, so I feel pretty good about it. I mean, I'm just happy to cross something off and get ready to move on to another section of the back of the bus, and I'm sure all of you guys are ready to see something different too. But I'm pretty stoked about that, and yeah, another. Well, guys, I know it's not special to you guys, but to me it's like super special. I'm excited about having something just kind of like done, and I'm getting ready to move on. I think my next thing I'm going to attack is going to be, well, looks like I've got to do the exact same thing over here. This one's all rotten too. I started a while back and did this one piece. I don't know if I'm going to keep it or cut it out. But yeah. Till later, guys. Go work on your bus.